little J21, and this is my next day, and I'm gonna start with my cats so you can know me well. This is my grandma's cat, so this is a mom. This is Marucha. Say hi, Marucha. Marucha, say hi. Say hi. Marucha, say hi. Hi. This is my little skateboard. Come here, Isaac. You want the skateboard? This is Isaac. Say hi, Isaac. Isaac. Say hi. Why are you in the shade? Get over here, boy. Ah. Isaac, you want to play with the skateboard? You want the skateboard? You want it? I'll give it to you, Isaac. Room. Want it? Come on. Come and get it. Go ahead, Isaac. You want to play with it? Marucha wants to play with it. No, she doesn't. She doesn't know. It's okay, Isaac. Isaac. It's okay. Skateboard. You want the skateboard? I'll give you the skateboard. You can say hi. Come on, say hi. Come on. Anyways, Marucha lost her other babies, which I do not know what they are. But I'm going to ask Marucha. Let's go ask her some questions. Marucha, do you know where your babies are? Come on, tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me. Tell me, Marucha. Can you tell me? Guys, looks like she has no answers. So that means she doesn't know where her babies are. Do you know where your brothers are? No, you don't either, huh? They're gone. Marucha doesn't know. No, none of them know. What are we gonna do with you? You're a mom and you lost your babies. How terrible. Isn't that? Not a bad mother, just you lost them for no reason. Isaac, do you know what your brothers are? Seriously, I haven't talked to you. Come on. Give it up, Isaac, or you don't get your skateboard. Give it up. Tell me. Come on. Or I'll give you the cucumber. There, take the skateboard. Why are you still scared? Just me. Right, Marucha? Just me. Come here, Marucha. Marucha, don't walk away from me. Get back here. Marucha. Get over here. Come on. Fine, then I'll go get you myself. Hello, Mama.
Sister?
I don't know.
Who's here?
She wasn't right here. Come on, Marucha. Come here, Marucha. Come on. I know you like it. You like to get patted. Come on. Aww.
Alright, back, okay? I'm going to warm up. I'm going to stay here and sleep. Okay?
Why?
Because Mom, you're probably going to stay with them. What do you think here? in the morning because mommy needs to go to the doctor. You guys gonna stay here? And I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some cereal and milk. Okay?
I thought we were going with Dad.
Huh?
I thought we were going with
Yeah,
Dad.
you're going with Daddy, but later on, like around 4.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. You hear that, guys? I'm staying at my grandma's tonight. I thought I was going with Dad. Still with my mom. Because I'm tiny. Ugh. So guys, I think it's getting late. There's the moon. There's the light. Fence. Neighbor's house. My place. Tomorrow, I'll show you. I'm gonna make another video, or probably not, because I'm gonna be with my dad, and I cannot bring my phone. So guys, you little kids, I'm like you. Dreams, I have dreams. Next, I'll show you my home. So guys, if you guys like to watch my videos next time tomorrow, and my name is Little J21, and stay little.